Welcome to Medicam's PDS Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing this clinical pedo question which was asked in the year 2024. Now, the question says there are image depicting severe decay in the upper anterior teeth. So, here also you can see the involvement in the mandibular anteriors and upper anteriors, they are almost gone. Now, they are saying that this image is of 3-year-old child and his or her mother reported to the clinic. And now she is concerned about this condition. How will you diagnose this condition and what exactly this condition is? Options given were mild early childhood caries, radiation caries, severe ECC, and moderate ECC. Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to roll out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success. Now, since there was no history of radiation, nothing is mentioned in the question also. So, radiation caries is ruled out. Now, we need to see what exactly is early childhood caries. So, most of the time, these children, they have a habit of taking feeders or you can say bottles in the night time. Because of that, early decay or nursing bottle caries can happen. Different staging is there. Text is mentioned here. I'll just tell you only the important points. So stage 1, you can say, or mild. This is generally seen when the child is of 10 to 20 months of age. You can see the white chalky appearance and initial pitching of the lesion involving the upper central, because child will be feeding on the, you can say, the feeders or the bottles. So especially milk get accumulated in the upper central region. That is the basic reason why the decay starts from the upper anterior region. Now, if it is not treated and child is continuing with the habit, what will happen? You can see the frank lesion and age is 16 to 24 months of age, and child can also complain of pain, right? And if this is not treated, it will lead to stage 2. So this is stage 2. But in stage 2, you are seeing that again, these mandibular anteriors, they are still spared. Only the involvement of molars and the maxillary anteriors is there. And you can also see part of upper anteriors, right? So the age is 20 to 36 months. Now, this is the most extensive stage where all the teeth, they are involved, though in the image it is not given that lower labial anteriors is involved. But the image which was given in the question, you can even see lower anteriors involvement. So this is a kind of stage 3 or severe caries or severe early childhood caries. So coming back to our question, this is severe ECC.